Hello YouTube, why you should eat barley porridge. The nutritionist told why you should diversify your diet and find a worthy place for barley in your kitchen. Groats are a product that has many useful properties. It benefits no matter what type you choose, barley, oatmeal, millet, buckwheat or other whole grains. You need to know that they are slowly absorbed in the body, giving a longer feeling of satiety. The choice of a particular type of cereal should be made according to preferences and health status. Barley is also one of the healthy cereals with high nutritional value. From it you can cook delicious, hearty and healthy dishes. And the affordable price allows you to use it quite often on your desk. However, we forget about this useful product. It is not as popular as buckwheat or oatmeal. But in vain. At the heart of pearl barley is barley, a very ancient and valuable culture. Barley grain contains, in addition to fiber, a large amount of protein, about 15% per 100 grams. For cereals this is a fairly large percentage. In addition, it has a wide range of minerals and vitamins, potassium, calcium, iron, phosphorus, copper, zinc, selenium, vitamins B, PP and E. We use barley as food in the form of two cereals, barley and pearl barley. Depending on the method of processing barley. Barley groats are crushed barley grain, due to which more fiber remains in it. And pearl barley is peeled and partially polished whole grains of barley with the remains of fruit and seed coats. Barley is also called beauty porridge. It contains the amino acid lysine, a substance necessary for the production of collagen. It is lysine that makes the skin elastic, prevents the appearance of wrinkles. And vitamins B and E in pearl barley help keep nails, hair and skin healthy. Barley also contains hoarhonicin, a natural antibiotic. Therefore, a decoction of cereals and barley porridge help fight inflammatory diseases of the intestines and stomach and inhibit the growth of pathogenic flora. Barley porridge normalizes the work of the gastrointestinal tract, is useful for diseases of the kidneys and liver, arthritis, hepatitis, diabetes. Barley is one of the best sources of fiber among cereals. But the main thing is that the dietary fiber in this porridge includes beta-glucan, a soluble dietary fiber that has a positive effect on immune cells, lowers blood glucose levels, affects the growth of normal intestinal flora, has a probiotic effect, and normalizes cholesterol and blood glucose levels. How to cook porridge. First of all, before cooking porridge, soak it. Take a liter of water and a glass of washed pearl barley and soak for about 10-12 hours. Then the porridge is cooked quickly, retaining all its useful properties, and it will turn out cereal and tasty. To get crumbly porridge, you can add a little vegetable oil. What is pearl barley? It goes well with meat or fish dishes as a side dish. Barley is cooked with meat, mushrooms, vegetables, herbs. There are options for dishes with fruits or dried fruits. You can also make cutlets, soups, risotto from pearl barley. The bird is stuffed with groats. Barley is added to stuffing for cabbage rolls. Despite the undoubted benefits of cereals, it has a number of contraindications. For example, pearl barley contains gluten, so it should not be consumed with celiac disease. Pearl barley can cause excessive gas formation. This should be kept in mind if you suffer from gastrointestinal upset. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.